Hey, you doing the thing? Excuse me? You know the thing? I think so. What do you mean? The thing that you should be doing to get more work. I'll get around to it eventually. Well, maybe you should be doing it. Sometimes it can be difficult as a freelancer to know where to start with everything. We can get really overwhelmed with stuff, especially when we're talking about marketing. Obviously, when we're doing our jobs, so for example, when I'm doing my voice recording, I know what it is that I should be doing. I'm preparing scripts, I'm annotating scripts, I'm talking to my clients, and then I'm doing the recordings and looking for feedback. But when I'm on the marketing side of things, I can still get overwhelmed because there's this suggestion of choice. Should I be focusing on my direct marketing? Should I be focusing on pay-to-play? Should I be focusing on freelancing sites? All of this kind of stuff. And so in this video, I just really wanted to give you your weekly reminder that you need to do the thing. Do the thing is a kind of strap line, a motto that Mark Scott, a voiceover entrepreneur that I very much admire, exhorts all of his students to do. And it's something that I wanted to remind myself and hopefully be able to remind you as well. It's the importance of just doing the thing. You just got to do the thing sometimes. We can get stuck in this level of paralysis quite often about not knowing where we should be placing our emphasis, what's most worthwhile to be doing. And to answer that really, what we need to start by doing is know that there's no one right way. There's no one right way that you should be doing anything as a freelancer in terms of being able to get more leads, get more prospects, and therefore get more clients and get more work. For some people, pay-to-plays are going to be the better option. For some people, freelancing websites are going to be the best option. And yes, you also need that diversity of income. But all of this kind of boils down to the fact that you need to be doing more of whatever that thing is. So if you decide that direct marketing is an integral part of your business, then you need to make sure that you are reaching out to a certain number of people per week, and that's your job. The job isn't even in the auditioning, it's in the reaching out. If it is on the pay-to-plays, remember that about 95% of the work that you might even be suitable for and eligible for via a pay-to-play site might not actually want your voice. It's probably about 5%. 1 in 20 of those jobs out there will actually want your potential voice on there, regardless of what you do in the audition. So it's your job that you need to get those auditions coming in. You need to have a set target of how many auditions do I need to do in a set week, whether or not that's through pay-to-plays or whether or not that's through agents or whether or not that's through freelancing sites or a combination of any matter of different sources. It's making sure that that level of that quantity of auditions coming in is at a set level and that you're executing on those auditions. So yes, for this week, I didn't want to go on a big kind of tangent or look at something particularly in depth so much as to tell you that you really need to focus on what is the one thing that I should be doing and doing consistently. I hope this has been a good and timely reminder for you. My apologies, it's been a really busy week already, I think because of consecutive bank holidays and Easter, just to date this video a little bit more, but hopefully this will get you the chance to refocus on what is the thing that you need to be doing at quantity, at scale, beyond the actual doing the job thing, in terms of the actual marketing, in terms of getting those opportunities. I hope you find this a little bit useful as a bit of a kick up the arse, and I look forward to seeing you next time.